Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix command prompt appears and disappears on Windows 10. I had the same issue and I fixed this basically with my with this basically solution. I fixed that, right? So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to on search write Windows firewall and network protection here and press on that. And after when you are on this window, then you need to go to virus and threat protection, and then here you need to go to scan options, and here you need to just select Microsoft Defender offline scan and scan now. So basically, as you can see here, this will restart your device and will take about 15 minutes to scan, and after you do that, the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.